Hi guys, I'm Miriam and welcome back to another makeup video with Essence. I will show you how to go from office appropriate to glamorous like this. If you want to see this transformation, keep on watching. I'm going to smoke out this eyeshadow and deepen the whole look, and I will be using In Love with Rose eyeshadow box. This palette includes 10 gorgeous, soft and intensive rosy tones. Perfect for creating subtle and more crazy makeup looks. I will be focusing on the burgundy tones. Let's start with the middle shade. Next, I will be using this beautiful burgundy tone. Last tone is the brown shimmer. Next is glitter time. I take this Meltochrome eyeshadow to add more sparkle to my eyes. This is in the shade 01 Think About You. Yep, go bold and go glam. Let's make a sassy wing with this liquid ink eyeliner. This palette gives the perfect warmth and holographic glow to my cheekbones, nose bridge, and cupid's bow. Take your look from day to night by using the Matte Touch blush in the shade 20 Bury Me Up. A night out is the perfect opportunity to go for that bold lipstick. I'm going for that sexy vampy lip. I'm going to pick up Color Boost Vanillicious liquid lipstick in the shade 10 I'm Dark, I'm Back. Remember, bold doesn't always mean red. You can choose burgundy, plum, dark brown, or any shade you want. To add more drama to the eyes, put on some false lashes. I'll be putting on these fancy lashes. Natural to glamorous in an instant. That's it. Daytime to nighttime in just a few minutes. I hope you liked it. If you did, please subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you next time. Bye!